Hey. I'm doing my car mukbang. Y'all see my makeshift shade right here? It's a lot of sun that was coming in, so I parked. And there was still a lot of sun coming in. But, y'all, my daughter found this, this sushi spot. And, I haven't really found a good sushi spot. It's called Sushi Nico. It's called Sushi Nico. I'm guessing they new over here. She bought in some stuff yesterday for herself, but I wanted to give it a try. So I got the volcano. Let me explain to y'all. And they do a good job. This was good. I said, let me pull over there and eat because I ain't eat all day. And this is the volcano, this is the volcano roll. Let me see what's in the volcano roll. It's a deep fried roll with crab and cream cheese inside, deep fried with spicy crab, eel sauce, and sweet chili sauce on top. I got mine with, I forget the kind of paper that I got. Soy paper, because I don't like the other kind of paper because it's fishy tasting. So I like soy paper with my rolls. And so this is it. And I tasted one and I was just like, I have to pull over. This is deep fried. Then they put the crab on top. So y'all want a bite? This is so good. I tasted one. This is one where the crab topping fell off of it. But they do a really good job. I just tasted a little bit of my daughter's stuff. Well, I only tasted a piece, a little tiny piece, and it seemed like it was decent. And so I said, let me come over here and check them out since I was over this way. And then these are called crazy avocados. And a crazy avocado, it's spicy crab stuffed and avocado deep fried with eel sauce and spicy mayo. So this is no wrap on this. But this is what it looks like. Hopefully I can show it to you without it spilling out all over the place. Let me take one out. So I guess they deep fry it, stuff it and deep fry it. But y'all, look at that. And I'm gonna turn it around. I don't know how they do that without the stuff falling out. This is the stuff. This is the crazy avocado. Ooh. I want a bite. This is all good. Let me. Stuff spilled on my pan. This is deep fried. And they had a Burger King next door, so I just stopped at Burger King and got me a large Sprite with extra ice. Although I would prefer McDonald's because they expensive. They don't. McDonald's sodas are $1. And they had some sake that was in there that was sweet and fruity. And she let me taste it. It was a white peach. And it was good. Put a little hair on your chest for the little bit that she gave me, but I see why they drink that stuff out them little cups now. Yeah, we gonna go to new sushi shack place now. Everything deep fried. This is the crazy avocado deep fried. And I ate instead of waiting until I got home. This is really good. Oh, I got a sushi place I can go sit down at. Have me a little sake. I went to the mall today. That video I'm doing it in the fitting room series as I shop for myself. I'm also going to be doing, because I do need to lose weight. I've gained a lot of weight back over the last couple of months, and probably some more. You know, when you stop working out and stop eating right, all that weight come back tenfold. And although I only eat, I'm still inadvertently doing intermittent fasting, where I only eat really like once or twice a day. It depends on what I eat, but I'm not working out, so I don't think it's really like the intermittent fasting is really like helping me. And on top of that, I eat what I want. I don't really eat all healthy, so at least I can say my stomach and everything is already primed to do intermittent fasting, so I don't have to go through that stage first where you gotta prime your body to switch, how you're eating, and eating lighter and not every and anything, because normally, especially at my age, so you can't jump all into it like you used to could when you was 25, because you'd be done killed yourself. You gotta ease into stuff. So yeah, my plan is to, at some point, get back to working out, eating right, and try to lose some of this weight, especially on my stomach and my butt and hips. Just get into a little routine. I'm gonna start off at my house. I put my True Fusion plan on hold because they all the way out in Scottsdale. And as y'all know, I'm ripping and running back with my son, back and forth with my son if it's not during sports. Like football is about to wrap up. They got 2 games left. And then I probably will get like a week or 2 break before basketball games start back up because he plays basketball too. And basketball is right after football. So, and they play twice a week. And that was the thing when I was working out last year around this time. I just burnt myself out. I was running all over the place because Scottsdale, the place where I worked out at, is a little bit over an hour away from my house. And I went at nighttime. The classes I wanted to take were at night. His games start at 7 o'clock at night. And I would literally be running to finish up my class, jump in the shower, get dressed because I was showering everything at the gym, and run over to the school before the game was over. So I did that for months, and it's finally caught up to me. And I was just like, I tried to go back, and then my costo started acting up because I hadn't worked out in a while. That's why I said when you start to get older, you can't just jump back into something. You gotta ease back into it. And I just jumped right back into it after not working out for months. And honey, my body said, I know you lying. So I'm gonna do my workout at home. I told them I'll be back fresh in January. It's starting to get nice outside to where I could go outside and do an interval jog and run in the early evenings before it gets night and the critters start coming out. Since I stopped going outside at night because them critters was coming out, honey. Them coyotes, they be running around looking for food, and they come out as in my community as they building, they're pushing them out of their homes and stuff. So they be circling around the neighborhood like they the family pet or something. One time I ran across a skunk, and so I stopped walking and running on the sidewalk. I started running in the street because he was sniffing around the bushes and stuff looking for food. And I ain't trying to get sprayed by no skunk. Well, that was good. That will hold me for now. They definitely not my business. This spot was delicious. So the video, I got some hauls coming up. Some little jewelry pieces I bought. Lord, just pray for me. I don't get back into being on TV at late night buying jewelry. That's how I got a lot of my good pieces years ago that I've had for years, like this right here. This bracelet, this is 18 karat white and yellow gold. I used to shop at Shop NBC. I used to buy rings and all of that stuff. Some of that stuff I don't even know when I moved what happened to it. And you get some good pieces and unique pieces when you shop on there. It's the real deal. The thing is that they selling wholesale, whereas if you go into a jewelry store, they couldn't sell at them prices because they're not having hundreds of people or thousands of people buying them pieces. So they can't give them prices like they give on like QVC and Home Shopping Network. You know, where people go in there and buy computers and TVs and jewelry and stuff for the house and all of that stuff. They have to charge you more in the store. Then they will charge you on those online and TV shopping places. That's how come they're so successful. And one of the places I never really shopped from, I think I shopped from once at QVC, and I bought a blender. I bought one of those expensive high-end blenders, and that thing came broke. I shipped that thing back, and I never ordered from them again. And I think that was the only time I really ordered from QVC. They stuff just looked cheap to me, so I stayed with Shop NBC because they were more high-end type stuff, and the only thing I really stuck with Shop NBC was their jewelry. So yeah, I got some good pieces off of Shop NBC. Unfortunately, they changed the names like 100 times, and so now it's called Shop SQ or QH or something. I don't know. I see it, so I see what this stuff is about. Seem like they still got some of the designers, jewelry designers that still sell their jewelry on there. One of the ladies who used to be a host or presenter on there, she got her own jewelry line now with diamonds and stuff. Pamela McCoy. That girl, that woman knew she could run her mouth. She could sell ice to an Eskimo. But she done messed around and got her own jewelry line, and she's selling on there now, so that's good. Pamela McCoy, and they're out of Minnesota as well. So yeah, like I said, I haven't fooled with them in years. Actually, that's where my husband, got my ring from. From them, they have some really good pieces, and some of it is really expensive, like in the thousands. But if you go into a jewelry store, it's going to be more money. They're not going to be able to sell it to you. They're not going to sell it to you at the prices that you would get for something similar on those shopping places. But anyway, this is going on 20 minutes. Y'all probably ain't going to even hear all of this because y'all don't watch nothing but 2-3 minutes. No way. Watch the whole video. Let it run. Just listen to me while you're looking at TV or something. Anyway, give me that thumbs up. Peace. See you when I see you.